You spend 1/3 of your life asleep. For most people, that time is a blank space, a chaotic movie they have no control over. But what if I told you that the dream state is actually the ultimate developer environment for your life? In the movie Inception, the characters build sandboxes, simulated worlds where they can test ideas, train for missions, and learn to bend the rules of physics. Today, I'm going to show you that this isn't just science fiction. In the Reality Lifeline Academy, we realize that sleep is the one time the mirror delay of physical reality is turned off. It is the fastest way to train your selection muscle and move your light to a new lifeline. Vadam Zeeland teaches us that when you dream, your soul is actually traveling through the space of variations. You are seeing real lifelines, but because your physical body is asleep, there is no importance and no resistance. This is why you can fly in a dream or manifest a house instantly. The simulation's hardware is running at a higher frequency because the mind is out of the way. The problem is, most of us are sleepwalking through the dream, just like we sleepwalk through our daily lives. We react to the dream script instead of authorizing the dream scene. As a sovereign navigator, you'll learn to practice awakeness in your daily life. You notice the pendulums, you catch the importance, but as an oracle, you extend that awareness into the night. We call this dream architecture. When you become lucid in a dream, meaning you realize you are dreaming while it is happening, you are standing in the source code without the filter of your 3D senses. If you can learn to hold a target slide in a dream where your body can actually feel the result as total fact, you are creating a high bandwidth recording in your neuronal field. When you wake up, your hardware is already updated. The physical simulation has no choice but to follow the new script you wrote in the sandbox. I want to give you an oracle tool you can use today to start building your sandbox. It's called reality testing. In Inception, they used a totem, a spinning top, to tell if they were in a dream. In Reality Lifeline Academy, we use the question. 4 times a day, stop what you are doing and ask, am I dreaming right now? Don't just say the words. Actually, look around. Try to push your finger through the palm of your hand. If you do this consistently while you're awake, you'll eventually do it while you're asleep. The moment the finger passes through the hand, the sandbox is open. You have moved from being a character to being the architect. You don't have to waste 8 hours a night. You can start using that time to re-render your future. I've put the links to our free community and our free intro course in the first comment below. Join us and let's start the process of waking you up, both in the dream and in the simulation. Stop dreaming of a better life. Start authorizing it in the sandbox. I'm Bob Rancliffe. I'll see you on the other side.